so what we want to do is we want the peppers to look like this.
Yeah, and
so that we can stuff them. So I'm going to cut these, just the tops off.
Yeah.
Like that. Then we'll just take a knife, just slice a little bit right here.
Here.
Like that. Then put your fingers right in here. Twist. And pull it out.
And get the treasure. And get the treasure.
You don't want any seeds in there, so let's get rid of them.
I want to get rid of them.
Alright, you want to do the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. Like that.
What
we're going to do now is just slice this right here so that we can separate the seeds. And then I'm just going to twist and pull it out. Alright, so we have most of the seeds out. If you don't get the seeds out, hit it on top of your cutting board.
Yeah.
And there you go. So we got
these ones
done. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them in this pan for now. Alright, so we'll just finish this last one off here.
Yeah.
Make sure that they're all nice and cleaned out. We don't really want any seeds in them. That's a little crunchy. Okay. Last one.
I'm going to watch you with Grandma.
So we'll try to place these in a way that they'll all stand up. What I'm going to do that's totally unrelated to this video is because there's an empty space here, I don't want them to fall down. I'm just going to add a package of mushrooms because I would like to roast these. So I'll just put them in here. You can do this if you want as well. And all it's going to do now is just tighten these up a little bit so that they don't fall over. So we're going to put these away for now, just in the fridge while we get the stuffing set up.
And see? Oh my seeds, buddy. Better get more.
Alright, Mark, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this. We need to separate about 1.5 pounds. So let's open this up slightly like this. What I'll do is I'll get a paper plate. Okay, so this is about a pound. I'm going to take about this much more stuff. This much more.
Yep.
So that's about 1.5 pounds right here.
Uh-huh. Hi.
So what we're going to do now, can you watch out, buddy, for a second? What we're going to do now is we're going to cook this 1.5 pounds of hamburger. We're going to chop up 1 onion. We're going to chop it like this.
Chop it like this?
Okay. Then what you do is you finally chop it this way.
Yeah.
Watch out, buddy, you're blocking the camera.
No, sorry.
So you're just going to add this in to the ground beef. We also want 2 cloves of garlic. Cut it there.
It's hatching.
So there's 2 cloves right there.
It's hatching.
What you're going to do is peel it.
It's hatching.
Chopped very finely so that you can barely see it.
Dad, don't cut your hand. Promise? You're gonna try.
Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go transfer this over to the pan now.
Whoa! That was wow!
Alright, so now that's cooked, what we're going to do is transfer it over to the other side of the kitchen and get it. So we got the rice here.
I don't like rice. I love
So what we're going to do is we're going to dump the rice into this pan here. Now I got 2 cups of rice in here. We're going to put in most of it. Just keep some out just to make sure we don't have too much.
It's not cold. It's not cold, yeah? Yeah, it's not cold.
Alright, I think that's more than enough. So we're going to go put the rice away. So I would say that would be about 1.5 cups of rice to 1.5 pounds of meat. As you can see here, it looks pretty good. So, next what we're going to add.
Sir?
We want to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. So this is 1/2. We're going to do 2 halves.
Thank you.
Just gentle. Fast. Alright, so that's 1. That'll do the next one.
I want to do some.
That's 2. So we're going to mix that in really fast here.
And this bag.
Alright.
It smells good.
We're going to add 1 cup
Yeah.
of salsa.
Salsa. I want
1 cup of salsa.
I want dump it.
Oh, sorry, bud. Here you go. Dump the rest of it. So we just made the 5-minute rice. As easy as that. You don't need any more than that. If you want to do long grain rice, it just takes longer. That's all. Boil it on the stoves. I think they make long grain rice and brown rice in the 5-minute. It's just preference. I don't have all day to cook. This is going to be for tonight's supper. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to stuff the peppers. I'll show you one of them while we stuff it. Alright guys, one more thing that we're going to add here. We're going to add some cheese.
I'm the cheese!
So I have a little chunk of Pecorino Romano, which was on sale. And I'm also going to try a small chunk of the smoked oca. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put 1 scoop. What we do, take it right out, scoop it, just like that. You want to take a spoon, let's use this spoon, just push it down in there so that it sticks into the cavity well, like that.
On the wood,
So, like I said, this one here, we'll put in the red, we'll put that smoked cheese.
Yeah.
Put a few pieces of the smoked in here.
And
just
this
like that.
smoked cheese is for
Then
that.
just fill it up. Again, you want to stuff it, so push all the air you can get out of it. And
this cheese.
just like that.
Here's the huge cheese.
And then what we'll do is we'll put 2
Here's your cheese.
or 3 little pieces of that cheese on top. This is for the other ones, bud.
Oh.
So we'll put the 2 red ones in here just like that.
One more cheese. Grandma, look at this. All stuff. You like it? Yeah? Then first,
So I'll take these out.
Um,
Alright. So what I did is the peppers that we couldn't hold, I just threw them in a cup, just like this.
And this,
So now what we're going to do is we're going to spread these out a little bit.
and I got a melon spot. Tack. This is a melon. I got a melon spot on my head. Let's go in the melon.
Let go of that, buddy.
It's mom.
Alright, so we'll just stuff these in here like this. I'm going to put the mushrooms down on the sides.
I want to try.
Alright.
I want to do that one.
We'll just do just a little bit.
I don't go. I want to do it.
Alright, so we're good to go.
Okay.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to put these in the fridge because we're going to cook them for supper. So you could do this and get it ready the day before if you wanted. Everything should be fine in there. We're going to put this in the fridge, and around 4 o'clock we're going to throw it in the oven